13 clear signs your phone was hacked. 1. You find new apps on your phone, you didn't install them. 2. Some apps stop working like they used to. 3. Your phone has suddenly started to run out of battery very quickly. 4. Your smartphone seems slower than it used to be. 5. Your phone gets warm. 6. Your phone reboots itself, switches off, dials numbers or starts applications. 7. Unknown phone numbers appear in your recent calls, and it costs you. 8. You cannot switch off your device. 9. There are noises or echo during calls. 10. You notice an increased use of mobile data. 11. Pop-ups start appearing on your device out of nowhere. 12. Emails sent from your phone are blocked by spam filters. 13. You can't make calls or they are being dropped.